Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 8 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in the general section, of course, we have to scroll in order to find the security and privacy. Then let's scroll down to find more security and privacy settings and scroll down again to localize encryption and credentials. Then let's tap on it, and as you can see, almost at the very bottom we've got the option we're looking for, so simply tap on the clear credentials and confirm it with OK. Confirm it also with your screen lock. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed the credentials. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.